Lover and Crafty Yarn Owl. Today I will be showing you how I made this corner to corner hat. But first of all, I did a tutorial on a rectangular corner to corner cowl, which I will link in the description box. And then what I've done is I've converted that into a hat. So I will show you in this video how to do that. Please stay tuned. It is coming up right now. Okay, the first thing you do is turn your item inside out, and then you're going to put yarn through, weave it in and out. A long piece, as close to the edge as you can get. You just go all the way around like that. And I'll meet you back here. So when you have it strung through there, you can pull the ends as tight as you can. You can tie them in a knot and then sew in the ends. So, show you what that looks like. I didn't quite get it pulled all the way tight, but that is your toque, and then you could roll it up to keep your ears warm. Just make sure you make it wide enough so that you can roll it if you want to. Okay, so that's how I make my hats. And this is a corner to corner, like I said. Thanks for watching.